Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to short text in Google Sheets A to Z. So get ready started. At first, open your Google Sheets file. Firstly, in this video, I will show that short text. Now select from the alt text option. Now going to the data option. Then click for the character filter. That is. Now click for the filter option. Then click for the short Z2A. That is. Then again another text. Then click for the short A to Z. Then others apply the same process. That's it. Then I show the short text in Google Sheets. Is very easy. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.